So you go through these challenges, you overcome your obstacles, and then you succeed. But guess what? Your success brings its own set of unique challenges. So in bobsledding, when you do all that hard work at the start to push the sled, to get from the starting blocks, and you get over the hill, the brow of the hill, you start building up momentum. It's a whole new set of challenges. It's an exciting, exhilarating ride, but it can be scary as well. And I think we all have to deal with that when we start building momentum in our lives and in our businesses, right? And so you need a success mindset. You need the confidence and the courage and innovativeness to be able to deal with those challenges. I think you need that confidence to manage a sales force that grows by 20% every year. You need that level of thinking, that innovativeness to be able to grow faster than you're growing because the opportunities are so great. All right, so you have to have a success mindset in order to continue to grow. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you click on that subscribe button and hit that bell. You'll get a notification every time we post a new video. And don't forget, share it with your friends, man. They want to be inspired as well, right? So share it. Don't keep it. And before you go on to the next video, visit my website, www.devonharris.com. Keep on pushing.